Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarati and today we're in a different location. We're in my kitchen. It's a last minute idea, but I'm actually cooking for some dinner, so I thought, why not take you guys with me. So let's go. I'll get started and please ignore the lighting because I'm not doing it with the ring light. I just have like my ceiling lights and some tube lights. So let's go. So for the menu today, I've prepared I've jotted down some dishes. I want to make paneer lababdar and lababdar. I don't know how I was pronouncing it, but yeah, I'm making paneer lababdar and I want to make a fusilli pasta because that's the only two things that get to my mind. So I'm gonna make this it's Indo-Italian. Anyways, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm doing paneer lababdar. I hope you guys can actually see me and yeah. So I have my kadai right here. I am taking a little bit of oil. I have this fancy bottle of oil that I got from, I think these bottles I got from Home Center if I'm not wrong, but these are really cute. Alright, so let's get started for paneer lababdar. I'm doing it without any onions and without any garlic. Let's get started. I do have my kadai that's getting hot so that it does not have any water or something because we're gonna put oil and it's gonna splash on me. So I don't want that. But until that's happening, let's see if we have a paneer softened. I've actually taken out my paneer so that it's actually softened. Very good. So I'm gonna make some nice pieces of paneer. So let's go. I'll try telling you guys what I'm doing, but I'm not sure whether I can tell you guys because it's not that complicated. At the same time, it's not that easy, I feel. So coming to cooking, I'm not a person who loves cooking, and yeah, that's my pan. So for me to explain you guys what I'm cooking is completely different. So I'm just having a little paneer. I took out my paneer and I'm gonna cut them into beautiful pieces.
Ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo te quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi. Buscaba una.
I put in the pan and then I put in my cashews for them to saute really well. By then I am actually gonna put another tomato as well because anyways it's gonna get pureed off, so I don't have any problem with the size of it. But yeah, also for people who think that I cook on a daily basis, no I don't. I hate cooking. This is how it looks right now. So I put in my cashews, I put in my tomatoes, and then I did a little bit of turmeric powder, a little chili powder, and then I put in a little garam masala. So I'm gonna saute them for a good a minute now, and then I'm gonna puree them off. So also for people who think that I cook on a daily basis and it's very smooth and all, no it's not. I yell so much. This is like my battlefield. I don't know how people think cooking is a stress buster. For me, it's my rager. I get so angry when I cook actually. Here's my masalas. It's going off into the mixie.
Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo te quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta.
So I don't like adding water to the when it's frying up. So I like to add water now. So apart from water, I can also add milk. So I'm going to do that. Now milk kind of gives up a little, I feel like a little sweetness. So I've added milk. So now let's go and mix them up. Alright, I'm almost done. So let's go fry everything and get the lababdar ready because I still have to do my pasta and I have no time. So now that it's getting simmered, I want to start up with the pasta part. So I'm going to boil water in my kettle and then put in my fusilli. So let's see how far that goes. Alright, looks okay. It looks really delicious, but oh my god, just look at that.
Que sí, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde
This is how it looks like. I'm still gonna add a little more chili powder because I feel like chili powder is a little less. Alright, I'm gonna add a little more chili powder because I can clearly see that it is very little. And then let's see how far it goes. Also, I'm gonna add a pinch of sugar because I feel like sugar and milk kind of give it a good sweetness. So I'm just gonna add a little soft sugar. And then I'm going to try tasting it, and if I feel like there's a little salt necessary, I'll put it then. So I'm usually known for putting a lot of salt. I think there's a little salt that I'm supposed to add. So I'm going to add a little salt. I miss a little salt because I eat salt a lot. For the last touches, I'm gonna add I'm gonna serve and garnish it with a little coriander because I like a lot of coriander, so I'm gonna put a lot of it. Let's see how well that goes. So my paneer lababdar is ready. Let's try it together later on. But I'm going to put this aside and then start off with my pasta. I have my boiling water for pasta and I'm going to put a little bit of fusilli. Now I'm going to have 2 cups of fusilli because it's just me and my husband. So I never measure it. I eyeball everything. That would be enough. So for pasta, I'm gonna add, I'm gonna give an Indian twist because I do not want the red sauce and all of that. But I'm gonna use tomatoes for a little sweetness, and then I'm gonna use a lot of red chili because pasta I don't like it said bland. I need a little tadka, lots of green chilies because I like it spicy. I'm gonna make it spicy, but let's see how far that goes. Also, for people who think that I come up with ideas, no I don't, and these are not my recipes. I found them online. You do know that you just have to Google it and you'll find millions and millions of recipes. So I have 2 tomatoes right here that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to use I've used 4 mirchi. So that's enough for me. I feel like it's enough. However, I do not have any other vegetables in hand with me. But you can add anything else. You can add, I do have peas. I'm going to add peas. But you can add anything else. But it's like this small tadka twist that we give for any Indian food. So any American food, I kind of have my Indian tadka. So that's what I like to do. But I hope you guys can actually hear me with all this chimney noise that is behind. Okay, wait, let me try. Okay, no, that's better I feel like. But I do like eating a lot of my vegetables and all of that with tadka because I do not like eating them bland. So I kind of add in my twist, Indian twist actually. So yeah, I chop my green chilies, my tomatoes are ready. I am going to put in a little paneer on top because that's what I like to do. I have coriander for garnishing. My pasta is boiling, so I have both garam masala and chaat masala. Whatever you want to add, you can add. But I'm really excited. So for pasta, what I'm gonna do is I am actually gonna add a bit of oil in this, just a little. My pasta is almost done boiling. Alright, my pasta is almost boiled. So it's right here. It's boiled, and I'm gonna just drain them and then start cooking. So let's go. So for this, I am actually gonna add a little bit of oil, like a good amount of oil, a little. Then I'm gonna wait for it to like do that, chisel and sizzle actually. It's actually cooked. I wanted to see whether it's overcooked, but it's not. It's cooked. I'm happy. Alright, the oil's heated up, so let's go. I am going to, firstly I'm going to add in my tomato. And then my green chili. Then add in a little bit of salt. One of the easiest ways like to know that your tomato is cooked is it becomes really soft and soggy. So that's how I know that the tomato is cooked. Even though I do not like cooking, I can cook anything in under half an hour, maximum 1 hour, because I do know how to multitask, so I kind of do two things at a time. Now even now, like filming process is a little difficult, but apart from this, I can actually cook any 2 dishes under 30 minutes. So my paneer lababdar was done in like 15 to 20 minutes. And this also will take the same time, but because I'm filming, I'll have to show you guys whatever I'm putting here in. That is why it's difficult for me to like cook and show you guys. And that's why it's time consuming. However, without that, it'll be really quick. Trust me on that. So, apart from this, for the pasta mixture, I'm going to add a little bit of chaat masala, a little bit of I'm gonna add a little bit of chaat masala, a little garam masala, and then I'm gonna like put in all my pasta in it. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of garam masala now. Then I'm gonna put in a little bit of chaat masala because I like chaat masala on things. So just a little more. That's it. Pack. Oh, I love the smell. It's having this beautiful smell. Apart from this, that's all that I'm going to add to this. So now I'm actually going to add my pasta. Oh, I love how pretty it looks. Is kind of sticking, so for me to avoid that, I'm going to add a little bit of oil and give them a little time to like kind of cook so that they don't stick down. Ooh, now it's nice. It's not sticky. I'm going to show you guys, but it's going to like burn. That's why I don't have the time. But I'm going to add a little bit of sauce to give that spice. Oh, I love a little sauce. So this is gonna be good. Alright guys, my pasta with an Indian twist is ready. I'll show you guys 1 second. Ooh, can you guys see? I just added a little bit of sauce, like the pichku sauce, and oh, I love how beautiful this looks. So now I'm gonna actually plate it, and then I'm gonna show it to you guys. The pasta's ready, so let's go sit, have a bite, and see how well it turned out to be. Actually, let me switch on the lights so that you guys can actually see me. I have it. I have my fusilli Indian tadka pasta. I have my paneer lababdar. I did add a little bit of mayo and sauce, just because I like a little bit of something on the side to like chew on. So here goes nothing. I'm really excited for this, and I hope this turns out the way I want it. So let's go. Oh my god. For me, I have a little bit of a saltier tooth. If it's a sweet tooth, it's a saltier tooth. But I would like a little more salt. But it's really good. And it's not sticky. It's not soggy at all. Time for lababdar. I'm gonna eat the paneer piece. Let I see how well it is. Oh my god. It's really good. I like it. I really like it. See, for everybody who asks me that what do you cook, these are all the different things that I keep cooking in my house. It's really good, guys. I'm gonna hog up the entire thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.